Lovely people of my channel, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Fiamimza. How are you doing? I know you are doing fine. I'm also fine, as you can see. Very fine. Right. In today's video, I'm bringing you a short video compilation of children or learners from Kingshills Educational Complex that will be celebrating Ghanaian Cultural Day in their school. It's today. Let's go and have a look at what they have for us. Stick and stay. Ghana is one of the countries with so many ethnic groups. Here, Ghana is one of the countries so many ethnic groups. Unlike other countries that we have about 2, 3, but it's about 20 and over. Please, do you know the actual number of ethnic groups that we have in Ghana? Please let me know in the comment section. There are a lot of persons in Ghana who are currently not living in their hometown, okay? And for that matter, because of that, the culture that they had when they were kids, they are unable to pass that culture vividly to their children. Most private schools in the country find it very educative and interesting to, at least once a year, allow the children to get themselves dressed in their, ethnic or traditional apparel, to let them know way back where they actually represent or where they actually come from. So this is one of a kind that you are seeing in today's video from Kingshills Educational Complex. I want to know if you know some specific names of ethnic groups that we have in the country. Please, if you know some, let me have the list in the comment section. I'll be waiting for that.